as soon as I opened it from the bag, I wish that you'd be able to smell the aroma. It has a very, very strong aroma. As soon as I opened it from the bag, that large piece that I'm holding right here had a strong scent. There was no bark on it, there was no wood chips, there was no dust as I was holding it. I was even kind of rubbing it onto my hands, and there was hardly any dust from the actual piece. And there you could tell that it is real myrrh as well, and that is a really, really quality selected myrrh from the larger batch. So please be careful when you are purchasing myrrh in other kind of foreign countries. Please be mindful to select myrrh. Preferably, if I were to do it another way, I would select myrrh that is in a larger open kind of container. For example, I would select specific pieces, especially when I'm paying the higher price or I want to use it for anything to do with healing purposes, as it is intended for. I would not prefer to purchase